Diavel V4. This thing is, it's more of like a cruiser bike type of thing. I'm not gonna get used to that riding position. It's so upright. I feel like I'm a Harley boy. Oh, the pegs are so far out. Oh my God. This is something I'm scared of. It's not that it's powerful, it's that it's so different. It's very low to the ground, but the pegs are so far out. I'm used to kicking my feet back, now I gotta kick them forward. Diavel V4 Star Powersports demo ride. Last one of the day today. It's hot and I am anxious to ride this, so this is gonna be scary. Like I said, it feels like a cruiser, and I've never ridden a cruiser before. I don't know if this has a quick shifter. I'll have to find out when we get to the turn. This thing sounds like a spaceship. You hear this? Let's see if it has quick shifter. It does indeed have the quick shifter. This thing is cool. There's no windshield though, so you're going to be hearing a lot more wind. Feels like a chopper bike.
Hang back and then open it up. This thing makes power.
It's so funny, the instructor just telling me, yeah, open this thing up, dude. It's so smooth. This thing is cool, man. This thing is so cool. I feel like I'm piloting a spaceship, man. It sounds crazy. Holy, oh my God. Yeah, he's right, that does make some power, and that wasn't even that much throttle. Woo! That's crazy. This is actually really comfy. The Diavel Diablo, I don't know, man. Diavel, I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce it. Regardless, it feels like I'm piloting the Enterprise, dude. This thing is nuts. Nutty bonkers. Banana bonkers. Very comfortable, very treatable, although I am, yet again, it's a V4 engine, so I'm scared of it, so I'm gonna be kind of white knuckling. I think I like Aprilia's quick shifter more. It sounds so cool. And you know me, I love me a quick shifter. Ah, God, I love quick shifters, man. They sound so awesome. I love bikes, man. I love motorcycles. Holy. Now I get to say I've ridden a Ducati before. Very comfortable, surprisingly, although the foot pegs took some getting used to. I cannot get over how cool this bike sounds. Yet again, traffic sucks. Thank you, Tennessee. This thing is wicked. Coca-Cola. Where's the shifter? There it is. Like the biggest naked bike I've ridden is a Grom, so that doesn't really count. I don't hate the cruiser life. Big shout out to David Webb. I like the cruiser life. I could get me one of these. Especially something with this much power. Woo! Oh my god. Jesus. Oh, I love it. I love this bike. This is such a cool bike. Should I be using the auto blipper when I'm on the gas? I know quick shift you can, but I don't know if it works the other way. Because I mean, I can go like that, but I don't know if that's good for it. Or if it's like kind of meant to do that. Little V formation, we're fighter jets. I'm more like a battleship though. Such a cool bike, man. I'm really lost for words. I mean, this bike is just awesome. It's such a comfortable ride.